Agoni you me, where Henning here no. Someone ya Henning Agbion and look at him Juakan no Feno Kunga Clue, Legion Junone. Henning what trouble one na Luhenge, Legion Junone. Name up almost Jeno, environmental protection chairman, agency chairman, Kuvura Abanglan, I can't stop use me because Abanaka emo warrior. Same way ni pale angelejo use ni pale ho na gbe ngelejo na use mo ye lorry tie akenga na me san yon we lorry tie ni mo wo here right ni mo wo here akenga na me san yon mo ye much more environmental right mo ye he na ngelewe gbe nga mo ye zigbam we ni ko me nge chuma ngelejo mo ye zigbam mo me zigbam pe poto ha say angelejo use ade meke akwa use me on apaleho na nga use mo ye zigbam mo ye environmental ima mo slejo bo no ye o bukan pi nwi kmangu mo ye koyo mo ye lorry nge be nge lejo no fe no ko nga happy nge lejo right mo ye zigbam mo ye domi nge zigbam mo ye foto mo zigbam nyufi mo ye zigbam mo ye nga na lo wi me po nge mo lo zigbam he na ka lo nge fo nge zigbam ye mo nge esemu poto ho se yom no fe no ko yon no lunge mo o yom no o yon no lunge klo he fe go abaso mo nyanga yon na ba yon no lu se ahona ngele jo use ke poto no ne ke yom oba wanya dalio me le ni no se amanya mo che me le amanya MCE ke MP yo me le amanya we abanglo yom no ne ebene mo su vote mi last year ne MC you me say Kupalo pale a hame na nga use because angala na ma win election angala na ma win election hejio apale a han na nga use vote me election magbewo politics magbewo de ne ma local politics magbewo you know mo ye environment mo ye na nga na lo gbenye na nga na lo ju an nyime apio janlo apio janlo endoke yo imoba se ko de ka ko ngeme je ko ode ka ko simi asani ne abanglo lejo ka ko use lejo wo o pale ho no han angalejo use ke ngana lo gbe na ajua right angana lo jua ngalejo minister ni na le na pewe no ko nge mo je sigbam mo je be ni anani aka anani ke to time mo singalejo han na pale ngana lo san han sa han apio janlo enyimi me apio janlo mo je sigbam poto mo je be lejo e pe basa han say because of politics yo ye pale han na lejo use ne ole no go kama na gbemi so ne a check na kan na no nge wa lo ka gbelo no ko check we basically yo assembly ye lejo ni ma check no ko check we veterinary chairman ye lejo na ma check na agbe yo kan e mo hin le bi we corona ne ejepo no e ma happy ye clue right yo no e mo jepo nge clue ne wo chu amonu yo no magbo ne nge nya gba di o imu weku e yo na ngalejo imami e yo na ngalejo iweku fe ko yo na ngalejo kam ne mo weku yo na lo le nya gba yo ne enya tan papa ka wa nya dalin ne ape kan pia komo election win me pang lion. Hi guys, what you see here is a slaughterhouse in Yilokrobo, right, Eastern region. Now this place has been closed down like a year ago, right, by the Environmental Protection Agency Eastern region, because they came and they inspected this place and they said it is unhygienic, it is dangerous, it might cause an outbreak of virus here, and they closed the place down. But the people have gone back and they are using the place. Look at how they burn the cow. After killing the cow, they use car ties. Look at the car ties. Look at the smoke. That's how they burn it. Very bad. And they are allowed to be using this. Nobody inspects them. Now look at the area. Let me show you a bit of the area, right? The environment. Look at the floor, right? Look at how dirty the floor is. There's a construction work going on around here. Look at the cows. This is where they kill the cows. Look at the floor. There are people walking around. There are cars passing. All these are very bad, right? All these are going on the meat, right? Now let me get a bit closer, right? You see what I mean in a minute, right? This is the environment. There's a stagnant water there, right, on the floor. There is rubbish on the floor. Look at all the water on the floor, and this is where they put the meat. They put the meat on the floor. Look at the floor, dirty surface, and they put the meat there. Nobody checks them, right? This is definitely going to cause an outbreak of virus here. This one. And everybody on Krobo land is going to get sick because all of us get our meat from here. The authorities are not checking this. They allow them to be using this, even though it has been closed down by the Environmental Protection Agency. Really bad. Nobody checks it. This is the Yilo authorities are not stopping these people. And they are just killing cows here to sell to innocent people to die. Just look at the gutter. Right? Look at the gutter. Look at the environment. And they allow them to be using this. Now, close to the election time, the MCE came to open this place for them to be using again because they wanted to win the election. Right? They wanted to win the election, even though it had been closed down. And look at how politics is going to kill us. Because of politics, people are killing animals here in this environment and they are selling to innocent people and people will die. Look at this. You look at it and tell me if it's okay. Will you eat? If you know that's where they get your meat from, will you eat it? Right? But nobody is doing anything about it. The chiefs are there. The opinion leaders in the towns in Yilo are there. Nobody is saying anything. And people will start dying very soon. If you are in authority and you are seeing this video, do something about it because very soon there will be an outbreak of viruses on Krobo land. Very soon. Right? It will happen if nothing is done. The authorities know this, but they are doing nothing about it. They are doing nothing about it. And when you say it, they say you hate them. When you say it, they think you don't like them. But these are some of the things that, this is their job. These are some of the things that they are meant to be doing. Not acceptable. I am upset because my parents eat meat from here. I am upset because my uncles eat meat from here. My grandparents eat meat from here. My family eat meat from here. How can they allow people to be killing meat, killing cows, and processing meat in this environment? Right? And we have leaders too. We have leaders and they don't care. Right? They don't care. If you've seen this and you can do something about it, please go there, take police there, take anybody you can take there to stop them. This is not acceptable. Thank you.